afford hardwood floors without roommates, apparently, unless you're a millionaire in California. And I hate it because it's either carpeted floors or roommates. Carpeted floor or roommates. It's terrible. I hate carpeted floors, okay? I'm from a different culture that it collects dust in my head, and I've had some boyfriends go like, some American boyfriends, go like, oh, but I like it, it's tough. It's disgusting. It's disgusting. With that said, thank you. With that said, I live in a carpeted studio because I hate people more than carpeted floors. It's hard, but yeah, I live alone, which is cool, but I don't live in the best part of town, so it can be a little upsetting sometimes. You hear noises, people screaming at all times of the day and the night, but I have a way to make it better. It's a game that I'm sure many of you might have unconsciously played. It's a mystery sounds game. It's a you have to say it. Can you play while I do it? Mystery sounds game. Go. Mystery sounds game. That is the extent of my singing skills. But I like to play. I'm sure you have played it. Is it a firework or a gunshot? We don't know. But I like to take it to the next level. Okay, so say I have been awakened in the middle of the night by the sound of a buzzing chainsaw right outside of my window. Now, what could that be? So with the mystery sounds game, you can find a perfectly logical reason for the sounds. So, for example, the buzzing chainsaw could be a meth head that took up woodworking, or some Texas Chainsaw Massacre thing going on. But it's still entertaining. So it's still a little scary. So here's the thing, the reassuring thing about hearing two chainsaws going on outside your window, and it is reassuring because it's either two methods that are now working together to steal car parts, and I know that it's not my car because my car costs less than a chainsaw, so I'm good. And if it is a Texas Chainsaw Massacre with two chainsaws, maybe the other guy has a fighting chance. Maybe it's a Texas Chainsaw Duel. And that is my idea for next year's blockbuster enemy to lovers movie. Hit me up if you're a producer. And that was my time. Thank you for welcoming me to Sarah.